Welcome to Best India Reviews. If you want the best product at the right price, you're in the right place. Let's get into it.
In this video, we will share the best tablet washing machine cleaners you can buy in India. Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel and support us for more helpful videos. We will start from the last pick and move up to the best one. Please check the video description for the product links and latest prices. We have analyzed and compared many tablet washing machine cleaners and picked these top options for you based on our research and analysis. In this video, we have highlighted the key features and benefits of each tablet washing machine cleaners so you can easily compare them and choose the one that suits your needs. To know the product price details, please see the video description. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Let's discuss the key things to consider when buying a tablet washing machine cleaner. First, check the compatibility of the cleaner with your washing machine type, as some tablets are designed for specific models or drum sizes. Next, look at the cleaning ingredients. Choose tablets that effectively remove residue, mold, and detergent buildup without damaging the internal parts. Another important factor is ease of use. Opt for tablets that dissolve quickly and require simple usage instructions. Consider the frequency of cleaning recommended by the manufacturer to maintain consistent performance. Also, check customer reviews and brand reputation to ensure the product's reliability and safety. Finally, compare the price and packaging quantity to get the best value for money. These points will help you choose a cleaner that keeps your washing machine fresh and efficient. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel.